This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
Good evening, Livio. Regano with tonight's weather. The developing weather pattern is one we'll see a lot of this winter, and it's the basis behind the wetter than normal outlook I'm sure you've heard about. Just showers getting constantly driven ashore by an endless stream of moist air from the Pacific Ocean. Temperatures today were exactly what you'd expect in a maritime airstream. About average in the daytime, but rather warm at night owing to cloud and moisture. Cairns had a range of 20 to 27 degrees. Now to the satellite loop, two main areas of cloud today. The big mass off the New South Wales coast that's linked to an offshore trough that you'll see in a moment. Otherwise, we've got the much lower level cloud that's more difficult to see along the eastern seaboard of Queensland, which at the moment is mostly just affecting the north tropical coast. But in the next 2 days or so, those showers coming from the low cloud will spread southward and eventually reach the New South Wales border by Wednesday. On today's chart now, there's the offshore trough I was talking about. It's just a dip in the isobars, but it's producing that big cloud mass. At the moment, we've got a fairly open pressure pattern. Winds have been moderate, not strong, owing to the fact that the main high is still behind us. But on tomorrow's chart, that new high pushes through, increasing winds along the east coast. You've still got the offshore dip in the isobars and the trough, but now we've got winds up to 25 knots straddling the east coast, and by this stage the showers will go a little bit further south. On the outlook chart, this is the best stretch of weather for bringing showers ashore, amplified by an upper level trough. The whole state will be affected by them. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns water south to southeast winds 20 to 25 knots tomorrow on a persistent 2-metre swell. Wednesday and Thursday still getting up to 25 knots at times. Tomorrow's late morning high tide's only a modest peak despite the full moon just gone. The late night tide is of course still very large but slowly on its way down. North tropical coast and tablelands a cloudy day tomorrow with showers off and on. Cairns 20 up to 26 degrees, Atherton 20, Innisfail 25 and a top of 24 for Mareeba. Looking ahead for Cairns, a showery week on its way with at least a few millimetres of rain expected on most days. Fairly steady temperatures, mild and cloudy at night, cool and breezy by day. For Atherton, again, quite a lot of cloud in the days to come. The amount of rain will be small, but there's at least a 50% chance on most days. And thanks for tuning in, folks. Funny weather out there. It'll be interesting to see how this winter plays out. I guess if it does end up being a wet one, it'll mean a suppressed spring bushfire season, and nobody's going to complain about that. Catch it to Mozzie. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Monday. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, you can enjoy a replay of our news and the National Bulletin on 7/2. From all of the team, have a great night.
Good night.